Hello friends, welcome to the Car City. The cars are waiting for the car carrier to arrive.
Let's go! Hurry, hurry!
The car transporter has arrived. The cars will start moving.
Woohoo! Yippee!
Go, go, go!
Move it!
The cars would climb onto the car carrier, and the car carrier would load all the other cars.
Let me help! Go! Hurry, hurry!
Hello everyone. It seems I see a problem with the railway line. The vehicles passing there are currently stuck.
Stuck too.
No, I think you should try to get off the rails. Then go call someone for help.
Okay, I'll go call someone for help.
Oh no, the train is coming and the yellow bus is still stuck there. Lightning quickly went to find help.
Please help me! Please help me get out of here. I'm stuck, and the train is about to pass by.
Okay, turn around.
The rescue team has arrived. Let's start rescuing the yellow bus.
Okay, move on.
I can't take this! Let's go!
Try one more time.
Great! The yellow bus has been rescued from being stuck on the railway. Hello everyone. We are in the city of vehicles. There is a helicopter flying by. Oh no, there was a strong wind and the plane lost balance and crashed to the ground.
Please help me! Help me!
Immediately, the relief team arrived to assist.
Please help me!
Help me! Please! Help me!
Okay, move on.
The rescue team has arrived. Now let's rescue by helicopter.
I can't take this!
Very good. The helicopter was rescued. The railway track across the lake was too fragile and it broke. The train fell into the water. He needed assistance.
What happens in a few days?
Now, what should I do?
Go, go, go!
The lack of a bridge across the lake causes traffic chaos. We need to do something.
Let's go, guys!
Help me! Help me!
What is happening here?
Let's go!
Okay,
Go, go, go!
the rescue team is ready to set out to rescue the stuck cars and solve the problem on the route. Let's set off, guys.
Hello!
Now, what should I do?
Let's destroy the city.
We will rescue cars stuck in the mud first.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you!
Hello?
Thank you!
Thank you.
Everyone has been brought ashore. Now we need to build a bridge across this lake. Let's start work now.
I will be raking in money with one hand and reading my book for the book club with the other. Mind if I join you? And reading my book for the book club with the other.
Amazing!
Wow!
Great, the bridge has been built. A colorful and sturdy rainbow bridge. Today, we worked together very well. Well done, guys.
Bye, have a great time!
Hey, why don't you go get a friend over here?
Let's go!
Goodbye.
Oh no.
Hello?
Hello, the cars were moving on the road when they encountered a large hole, and they could no longer move.
Go, guys.
Amazing! Now, what should I do?
What is happening here?
Huh?
Hey, what happened?
What is happening here?
Hey, what you doing? Oh my God!
Huh?
The bridge has been brought in. Now it's just a matter of repeating it and connecting the roads so vehicles can move normally.
This is the car for the bridge to be balanced, then the bridge.
Amazing!
Very quickly, the bridge was completed.
Let's contact the sand. Contact the hill. Go easy.
Wow.
Amazing!
Let's go, guys. Oh no. Help me!
Oh no! A meteorite fell and created a huge hole in the road, which immediately created chaos and traffic congestion.
Go, go, go!
What?
Away!
Traffic is really seriously congested. We will have to find a solution to solve it immediately.
What?
I fell in the mud and took a short right after.
Hey, what happened?
Why? What happens in 24 hours?
We have to go!
Let's go!
We are getting ready to work again.
Let's go
The
together
materials
to build
are
a
arriving
bridge.
and together we will build a bridge.
To big damage must be built quickly.
Go, go, go!
Can I help you?
There are aliens up on the bridge!
Quickly, the new bridge was formed and we can use it immediately.
Amazing!
Line up and announce when your name is read.
Okay, everything is resolved.
More like a transfiguration.
I go first.
Bye, have a great time.
Oh, come on.
Bye. Go, go, go!
Bye-bye!
Let's go!
Oh, what's going on? The fire truck was moving when a dinosaur suddenly appeared, causing it to lose control.
Hurry, hurry!
What happened?
Perhaps the fire truck's collision caused a small section of road to be seriously damaged.
It looks so dangerous.
What's ahead? Let me see what's going on. Just have to find someone to help.
What's the matter with you?
The incident on this route seriously blocked traffic.
Woohoo! Oh my gosh!
It's scary.
What's going on down there?
Oh no, there's a problem here.
I need support.
The helicopter discovered this incident, and he sent the information to the rescue and incident management team, who will arrive immediately. The bridge construction materials have been transported. We will build a bridge to connect the two routes.
Okay, done.
Move it!
The bridge has been completed. Now all vehicles can move normally again.
Stop immediately.
Dinoco racing car, mini bus and yellow mini car are going on the road. They entered the tunnel when, unfortunately, there was a landslide, and they are stuck.
The rescue team to arrive.
Okay, let's go.
Excavators and cranes and other vehicles seem to have received the distress call. They are now coming to assist and deal with the problem in the tunnel.
Okay, let's get started with the rescue work. I will assign tasks to each person as follows.
Okay, let's start dealing with this pile of rock and rescuing the stuck cars. Just now the excavator did its job. Now it's the crane's job. Great, the stuck cars have been rescued. Now it's better to help them.